It's a new day. The last days it has been snowing, blowing, kind of cold and very bad to be outside to do something. But today it's going to be more than 10 degrees plus. So maybe some of the snow that come the last days start to go away. I was out by the cars and pushing off the snow from them 2-3 times a day, and it come up to at least this much snow on the top on the roof 2 times a day on the worst. So it was hopeless. Today I was hoping to try to polish out this yellowish on the outside of this light. This light is very yellow and bad. The other one looks to be new. So I think even if I clean up the outside, maybe I have to change the light, but just trying to do it and see. Maybe I have to split the light and clean it up inside also, because it's filled up with dirt. Let's just start on the outside. Like I bought some polishing stuff many years ago. Polishing metal and plastic on the instead of using sandpaper to start the process. Just don't use my polishing tools. But first I have to mask off. So I test this one, very soft. Just to try to see what's happening. And to wet it a little. Actually, it looks better already. Now I have to fix the battery. Yeah, the light, the plastic lens is clean. Can't understand it's much more there, but you see inside is not clean. So to save this light, I'll try to pick it apart and see if I can clean it. See, this light is changed. It's much newer. It's completely clean inside, not dyed in the color or nothing. And this is completely dark. There's no shine, no metallic or anything. Maybe I can't save it. Could be. Not, that is not going to be. It would be interesting to try it. Before I give up, I should try to pick it apart and clean it up inside and see. Could be. But no. This I changed some other headlights with. This is very soft. And this rubber compound is made for plastic. The soft metal, some plastic and glass. But it wasn't hard enough, so I just put on some color cleaner, what we call rubber, rub off. So I put on a little on that. I see, take away problems that I had in the glass. The problems you see here now is not in the glass, it's inside. Yeah. I tried, done it a little better. So that was I just cut it for you guys for a small little video. How I do it. No sandpaper, no hard ways like that. It worked to clean out the outside, but have to pick it apart. I did the same on the Kia, I think it was. It picks up the light there, and it works. So you can try this way too, just to get those discs. I bought a set with the 3 discs and 3 different compounds for metal, aluminium and softer materials. I can see if I find a link to that so you can see it. Thank you, hope you like this little video and you subscribe to the channel. It's going to work on with this Land Cruiser. I have to see on some Celicas here, and I have a Mercedes CLK standing. I have to see on a Range Rover, a friend's Camry, old Camry, and different things.